Another legal setback to Portland's ban on homeless camping. At 5 o'clock, I'm Jeff Gianola.
I'm Elizabeth Din. An Oregon Supreme Court judge declined to weigh in on the city's time, place, and manner regulations, prompting the city attorney to encourage leaders to explore other options. This, as the city faces a lawsuit on its camping ordinance, and the U.S. Supreme Court is expected to take up 2 cases challenging the constitutionality of camping bans.
Let's switch to Joel Jones live, and I know you asked some tough questions of city leaders about this, Joel.
Well, we certainly asked, Jeff, but both the mayor and the city attorney's office declined our interview request today. Still, with the city now lacking any judicial guidance on this and the city attorney suggesting leaders rewrite the current plans, we wanted to know what's next.
The police bureau will be using it selectively in a strategic manner to emphasize those areas that are the most problematic.
Portland's camping ban could go back to the drawing board less than a year after it passed city council. The daytime camping ordinance was initially slated to go into effect last July, but stalled after the Oregon Law Center sued the city in September on behalf of thousands of homeless residents, prompting a Multnomah County judge to issue an injunction in November, pausing any enforcement until the end of the lawsuit.
They're basically saying that it's a criminal act simply to exist as a houseless person.
Now, the city attorney's office confirms yesterday an Oregon Supreme Court judge declined its request for legal guidance on the injunction, refusing to weigh in. With city attorney Robert Taylor writing to council, while we had hoped to get some guidance from a court in the form of an opinion on the city's time, place, and manner regulations, the city now must move forward without a judicial opinion. They confirmed Taylor went on to recommend city leaders contemplate repealing the past ordinance and, quote, replace it with something we believe may be more likely to survive a legal challenge.
Because it's a violation of people's basic rights to exist in public space. I mean, it's a civil rights issue, plain and simple.
Homeless advocates like Dr. Sandra Comstock, executive director of Hygiene for All, tell me they're not surprised to see these legal setbacks, as the county only has about 2,000 shelter beds and an estimated more than 8,000 homeless residents.
That's 6,000 souls that have no choice but to either break the law or risk dying, literally.
The ordinance has been defined by city leaders as a ban on camping near public spaces from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., with those in violation subject to a $100 fine or 30 days in jail. But Comstock says the language goes beyond that. Reading from it.
The ordinance extends to all hours of the day on all city property, sidewalks, and parks. So that basically prohibits even the use of a simple blanket.
Now, in a statement, Mayor Ted Wheeler's office said the mayor is disappointed with the lack of guidance from the court and is continuing to explore alternative pathways, and that may come sooner than we think. In fact, the city and county are planning to hold a joint press conference and briefing early next week on the homelessness response action plan, as well as measures to add 1,000 extra shelter beds within the next 2 years. So, of course, we will continue to track this closely. But for now, live outside City Hall, I'm Joelle Jones, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, we'll watch that closely next week when they do get together on that. Joelle, thank you.